The hotel full. Is or are? Is, not are. The hotel is full. One rule, 20 questions. Most people can't get them all right. Can you? Quick screenshot. This is the only rule you need. Don't look at the last word. Look at the subject. Are you ready? Let's start. Round 1. At the hotel. Is or are? Only 2 choices. Don't overthink. The room clean. Is. Say it with me. The room is clean. Number 2. The guests at the pool. Are. Let's say it together. The guests are at the pool. She at reception. Is. She is at reception. We on the 4th floor. Are. We are on the 4th floor. Number 5. The lift out of order. Is or are? Is. The lift is out of order. Good start. Don't relax. Round 2. At the airport. Is or are? The flight on time. Is. The flight is on time. Number 7. The passengers boarding now. Are. The passengers are boarding now. Number 8. Most people get this one wrong. The security queue very long. Is. The security queue is very long. They at gate 12. Are. They are at gate 12. Number 10. A group of tourists outside. It actually is. A group of tourists outside. One group equals it, which equals is. Don't let tourists, plural, trick you. Still easy? Let's see. Round 3. Is or are on tour. Last positive round, same rule. Number 11. The guide waiting outside. Is. The guide is waiting outside. The tickets included. Are. The tickets are included. It a 2-hour tour. It is a 2-hour tour. The museums closed on Mondays. Say it with me. The museums are closed on Mondays. The view? Absolutely incredible. The view is absolutely incredible. Right, now it changes, so stay sharp. Mini round here. Isn't and aren't. Three questions only. Same rule. Now it's negative. Two choices. Isn't or aren't. Isn't is short for is not. Aren't is short for are not. Screenshot the table. It will help you in the quiz. Okay, don't overthink. The room ready yet? Isn't. Say it with me. The room isn't ready yet. The bags on the plane. Aren't. The bags aren't on the plane. He at the gate. Isn't. He isn't at the gate. Alright, this is the bonus boss level. Most people get this one wrong. Don't rush this. Everyone on the tour exhausted. Is. Everyone on the tour is exhausted. Everyone equals he, she, it. Sounds wrong, but it's right. Everyone, somebody, nobody, always is. Say it with me. Everyone on the tour is exhausted. Okay, here's a trap warning. Listen carefully. Mistake number 1. The hotels is full. Wrong. The hotels are full. 1 equals they. They equals are. Mistake number 2. The flight aren't on time. Wrong. The flight isn't on time. 1 flight equals it. It equals isn't. Say it with me. The flight isn't on time. So, how many did you get right? 18 to 20? Excellent. 14 to 17? You're doing well. Under 14? Watch it again. Drop your score below in the comments and write 1 sentence using today's grammar. If you missed the have or has video, find the link in the description. Same format, double the practice. Subscribe for more travel English with me, Ruben. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.